guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x12 Harley Davidson Street 750, and if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. And I'm also doing a giveaway of this model, so if you want to participate, the rules are: follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment down below. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video. If you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.